Shiba Inu, SHIB, shows strong signs of a potential 2,400% price increase, driven by whale purchases and market interest. Meanwhile, Minotaurus, Mythoia, gains traction. Shiba Inu, SHIB, has shown signs of an upward trend, with its price rising nearly 7% in the last 24 hours. As SHIB gains strength, high price targets with a possible 2,400% jump seem within reach. A recent large purchase by a whale and increasing market interest are driving hopes for a big breakout. Meanwhile, one presale has reached an important milestone, adding to the interest in Shiba Inu coin's future. Whale activity shows large buying and price targets. The 10-day moving average is now $0.00001989, while the 50-day moving average stands at $0.00002269. This suggests a possible uptrend. The support level is $0.00001533, while resistance sits at $0.00003012 and $0.00003910. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is at 37.95, showing that Shiba Inu is nearing an oversold zone. This often happens before a price bounce. The MACD level, -0.00000100, hints at a shift in momentum, which could push prices higher in the coming days. A large holder recently bought 257.5 billion Shiba Inu tokens worth $4.6 million after a market dip. This whale now holds 477.5 billion SHIB, valued at $8.57 million. Large purchases like this often show confidence in an upcoming price increase. This pattern has happened before when big buys led to price jumps. One of Shiba Inu's key strengths is its large supply, which makes it widely available for transacting. Unlike coins with small supplies that rely on scarcity, SHIB benefits from high transaction activity. This makes it easy to buy and sell, keeping the market active. High liquidity also helps keep the price stable and allows for quick price moves when demand increases. In the past, whale purchases have played a big role in Shiba Inu coin price changes. With a circulating supply of 589.25 trillion SHIB, concentrated buying power can reduce supply, increasing demand. This latest large buy adds to the positive outlook for Shiba Inu price, making a breakout more likely. Technical data supports these predictions. Fibonacci retracement levels show strong resistance points that SHIBA has been testing. If it breaks past $0.000020, the price could rise quickly. Shiba Inu news reflects growing market optimism, which may help push prices higher. Market experts have set new price goals for Shiba Inu, expecting big moves soon. The first target is $0.0000857171, then $0.0001833312, with a final target of $0.00047290.5. If these targets are hit, the Shiba Inu coin price could grow by 2,400% from its current level. Minotaurus, Mythoia, a new frontier for SHIB enthusiasts. Minotaurus, Mythoia, has advanced confidently past 1,390,000 USDT in pre-sale purchases. The current token rate is $0.00010006 USDT, and the next stage price point of $0.0001 USDT looms on the horizon. Backed by a community exceeding 18,500 members, Minotaurus blends a labyrinth runner game with tokenomics carefully designed to avoid the typical short-lived hype. Binance Smart Chain and measured distribution. By building on Binance Smart Chain, Minotaurus benefits from swift transaction speeds and reduced fees, ensuring that in-game token usage remains smooth. The labyrinth runner design keeps things light and accessible, but behind the scenes, cliff and vesting mechanics manage Mythoia's release in a steady flow. This approach sidesteps sudden market dumps that could undermine community confidence. Furthermore, the project's large token supply, 100 billion, includes 10% reserved specifically for community incentives and expansions, practical gameplay and memorable incentives. While many blockchain concepts revolve around mere speculation, Minotaurus directs Mythoia usage toward tangible gameplay. Players spend tokens to enhance abilities, open secret routes, or upgrade their Minotaurs. The approach reduces the reliance on hype, as each token directly impacts user experience. Additionally, the team has introduced a 100,000 USDT giveaway, an event that ramps up interest and encourages both newcomers and existing supporters to stick around. Thanks to the synergy of real utility and methodical distribution, Minotaurus positions itself as a laid-back yet stable option for anyone intrigued by the ongoing evolution of blockchain-based entertainment. Conclusion: the recent whale purchase and strong technical signals suggest that Shiba Inu price could be set for a major rally. A potential 2,400% price surge could be realistic, with SHIB showing strong market demand. If Shiba Inu keeps gaining momentum, it could soon hit new highs, making it an important asset to watch in the next weeks. Many crypto fans believe in SHIB's potential, but it's not the only high upside pick out there. When it comes to emerging opportunities, Minotaurus, Mythoia, sets expectations realistically, balancing an affordable buy-in with steady, goal-oriented progress. Since this pre-sale is time-bound, your timely action could make all the difference.